That's impressive how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah.
So when I say that this is giving scalp, this is what I mean, y'all. Look at this closure. It is serving, okay? It is giving what it's supposed to give. Look at that, y'all. Y'all cannot tell me that this is not my hair, okay? Anyway, y'all, I did go ahead and wash, conditioned, and let this hair air dry overnight. It is so beautiful. It's still bouncy. It still has its luster and shine. So today's hair, if you're probably wondering, is from Alipearl. I do have their 5x5 HD lace closure wig. She's 180% in density, and she's a medium cap size, and she's 24 inches. But look at her, y'all. She's pretty, okay? But I'm just going into the unit just to show you guys many ways that you can part into this lace. Like I said, this is a 5x5 closure, so baby, you have room. You have more than enough room to execute the style that you want to execute, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and prep for install. I like to add wax onto my head. All the products that I use will be listed in the description section below, so you can check there. But we're gonna go ahead and hot comb the lace or the hair, and I do like to lift up the lace just a little bit from my forehead so I don't get burned. But now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace. And like I said, I don't cut straight across. Y'all see me, you know, just going in and out, in and out. And when it comes down to those side pieces, I cut at an angle, so boom, like you don't see it. So look at this melted. Look at that. Do y'all not see what I'm saying? What lace? Period. What closure? Period. But anyway, y'all, we are doing a side part today, and I'm super excited because I've never ever done this before. Stop throwing your closures away thinking that they're not usable because you only can wear them as a middle part. That is a lie, okay? If somebody told you only can wear it in the middle, they're lying, because baby, you can shift it to the left, you can shift it to the right, okay? So now I'm just figuring out the placement, because as you guys can see, it is pushing against my ear a little bit. So I end up tucking my ear underneath of the lace in particular, but you know, you can push it back and just have some of your edges out blending if you don't like it. I'm going in to secure it down using my glueless spray by Erica J. I'll have that listed as well. Y'all already know I love this product, okay? I just wish that the spray was a spray nozzle and not coming out like liquid, because baby, look at it running. I'm like, no. But when it comes down to closures, I always say they're beginner friendly, because if you want to practice securing your lace down, I would recommend closure units first and then move on to a frontal, because you'll pretty much get the gist of what's going on when you work with the closure first. I always work in the entire section because it's not a lot of space to work with, so you're able to secure it down pretty much in one setting. Now, to get that frontal light look, make sure you are stretching it as far as it can go. So since this is a side part, I'm just making sure it's nice and flat. And I'm just taking my blow dryer on a cool heating setting and letting everything set. And I'm just using the back of my brush to, you know, push the lace down into my forehead. But y'all can see, y'all can't tell me nothing. Y'all can't say it's not melted. Look at that. But now I'm just going to let it sit with my elastic band. Alipearl does provide their little edge scarves in the packages. So if you don't have the elastic band, you can use this to lay it down as well. All right, we're taking it off. It's been a little bit longer than 10 minutes. But look at that, girl. I did not tint the lace, y'all. I did go off camera and I did bleach the knots, and I did pluck this unit. So that's pretty much what I did. But anyway, we're gonna go in and fix this part. I'm doing a little, this is a deep side part, so I want it to curve just a little bit. And y'all, I was just extremely excited because I'm like, wow, I never knew you could do this with your closures. Like, where have I been? I've been living under a rock. But we're gonna go ahead and get this part fixed up. So now I'm taking some cream foundation just to define the part because, baby, if you don't got no cream foundation, use some concealer, but you need that part to pop. I am just going to customize my unit just a little bit by adding some baby hairs because what is a unit without baby hairs, in my opinion? I'm also going in with the got2b glue, not got2b glue, I'm sorry, the Erica J glueless, is it? I don't know, y'all. The liquid gel, I don't know what this is called, but just check the description because your girl is bad with that. But I'm just going to go ahead and cut it and shape it to my liking. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the Erica J Heat Protecting Spray and we're gonna spray it all throughout the hair. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of curls in this unit. Now, I love curling body wave hair because y'all know body wave hair, it holds a curl like no other, okay? I'm using my T3 curling iron to create some back curls. And like I said, I wanted this style to be not too much, okay? I just wanted loose body waves. Now I actually used my Ebin Supreme hold to lock in these curls. Do not use that stuff. When I tell you I had a bunch of flaking when I combed out these curls, I was so disappointed. It was like, wow. So that's how my look ended up looking, as loose. I would have left the curls in it as it was, but y'all, like I said, don't use that. Just use regular hairspray because that is a disaster. That's good for laying down your lace, but it's not good for putting on your curls. You will be a flaky white mess. It was a time. But anyway, y'all, like I said, off camera, I did wash and condition his hair. I got minimum shedding and I got minimum tangling during that process. That is it, y'all. But like I said, I really enjoyed working with this unit and turn it into a side part. Like, baby, I didn't even know you could, it was a such thing as that. So yeah, this is pretty much how it turned out. Like I said, it was super simple, super quick, super easy. Anyone can do this, y'all. Let me know if you decide to try this at home. If you guys are interested in this unit in particular, y'all don't forget to check out the description section below. I will have everything listed there. And until my next one, your girl, see you later. Bye, guys.
It's impressive how much I'm missing.